Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Leftover rice in the fridge? You could make a tasty Kanda Batata Rice with it. Here's the recipe just for you. Subscribe for more such recipes and check out my other videos. Leftover rice, potato cut into small pieces, finely chopped onions, curry leaves, lemon, finely chopped green chilies, turmeric powder, chaat masala, coriander powder, peanuts, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fresh coriander leaves, salt and superfine sugar. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in the peanuts. Take them out on absorbent paper and keep them aside. Temper the oil with cumin seed and mustard seed. Once it stops spluttering, add in the curry leaves. The onion. And the green chilies. Cook till the onions are light pink in color. Add in some hing or asafoetida. Add in the potatoes. Season the potatoes with some salt. Cover it briefly. Let's check on it. That's coming along fine. So just cover and cook till the potatoes are done. The potatoes are done. Add in the dry spices. You could add in some frozen peas. This is optional. Once the peas are done, should take a minute. Add in the rice. Add in the fried peanuts, some chopped coriander. Try the recipe. If you like it, share it on social media. Salt and sugar. Turn off the heat and squeeze in some lemon juice. Mix it up. Sprinkle some chopped coriander on top. Serve the rice with some masala yogurt. It's great for breakfast or lunch and even goes well in the lunchbox. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.